What we're going to do here is provide you with a pretty quick analysis of the Belmont Stakes 2021, which is on Saturday, June 5th, as well as some of the undercards, some of the horses that look viable on the undercard. We're going to start with the first race and then go all the way through the final race. First of all, in the first race, a horse named Hagler, who's going to be the favorite, and he's so much the best on numbers. It would be surprising if this horse it does not finish at least first and second, does not hit the exacta. But again, he is so much better on numbers than the other horses. 9-5 morning line, he'll probably be closer to 6-5 or even money. And then in the second race, we kind of like this horse Mach 1. Mach 1, 6-1 on the morning line. And in this field, he looks like a really, really good across-the-board bet, win, place, and show. There's some suggestions here for exact and trifecta, but you're kind of on your own with those if you want to take a shot with that. But we kind of like the horse for an across-the-board bet. Then in the third race, Jackie's Warrior is probably the best bet of the day. It's probably the most likely winner on the entire card. And remember, again, when you're talking cards, like on Derby Day or Preakness Day or Belmont Day, you're talking about some of the toughest cards in the year. Basically, in most of the races, all the horses have ability, so it's difficult to sort out. But this horse, again, looks like a standout. Will be a very short price, and you might not even want to bother with it yet because it could be as low as 3-5, 1-2. Nothing really going in this race. In the fifth race, Search Results, we won't play, but he looks like a very, very short price, and again, should certainly hit the exacta. Will probably win. Now, in this race, Bound for Nowhere, he comes up very, very strong on numbers. However, there's a few other horses in here that look to have the kind of speed to challenge him. So while he comes up real strong on numbers, we're not going to play him. Then in the seventh race, Latruska comes up best on numbers. Again, be a very short price. Short price probably be a down again around even money, 6-5, but looks like a very viable play. If you're, especially, if you're playing pick threes, pick fours, this would be probably a good single. Eighth race, Regal Glory, from a long shot standpoint, he looks like the horse we prefer on this card. From a price standpoint, he's probably our best bet with a long shot possibility. He's 8-1 on the morning line. Knicks Go in the ninth will be a heavy favorite. Again, probably finish first and second, but again, a very short price. In the 10th race, Domestic Spending, looks like a very, very solid winner place. Bet again, you never know what's going to happen in this game, but the way this horse has been running and based on his numbers, he should hit the exacta. He should finish at least first or second. We go to the big race, the Belmont Stakes, and Essential Quality is a 2-1 morning favorite and should be. He'll likely be bet below that. His trip in the Kentucky Derby was not good at all. He had a lot of trouble at the start, had to go very wide, and he still just missed by about a length and a half for the whole ball of wax. He finished fourth. So again, we do think Essential Quality will bounce back here and win at again probably a price between 6-5 and 8-5. We like him because he's got such good early speed, but he's also got good balance. He can show good speed, but he can also finish strongly. And those are the characteristics that really make for a champion horse. We're also going to do an exacta box 1, 2, 6, 7, 1, 2, 6, 7. Nothing much going on in the 13th. The 12th. 13th, Hard Love, again, one of those horses that has very, very, very strong numbers. And again, looks like he'll definitely, I hate to say definitely, because you never know, but has a very, very good chance of running first or second, hitting the exacta. So that's it. Good luck. Talk to you next time.